This is a litchi mission. I'm going to go down there, around there, and it's going to fly back around that circle, which is 5 foot high. So when you do these stupid things, make sure your compass is right. You might be slightly lower than 5 foot or higher, whatever I'm going to say, and then you might plummet into the ground, you know what I mean? Which wouldn't be nice. It goes up and around and it'll come down into a 5 foot spin off, spin its way around. Beautiful day, bit windy, but I'm quite known for being crazy. Right, she's over there somewhere.
499 feet distance, 85% battery.
No, I can't see it. Well, I haven't crashed, that's a good thing. What we use? Oh, we only use 30% of battery.
Altitude.